Have you ever stopped to think about how deeply artificial intelligence is woven into the fabric of our daily lives? This isn't a futuristic concept or a sci-fi movie plot. It's our reality. It's the here and now. Consider this. Each time you ask your smartphone a question, each time your GPS reroutes you around a traffic jam, you're interacting with artificial intelligence. It's in our homes too, learning our habits, optimizing our energy use, even helping us cook the perfect meal. It's like we're living in a symphony, orchestrated by algorithms, each note calculated to enhance our lives. We're in an era where technology is no longer just a tool. It's an active participant, shaping our interactions, molding our experiences, and redefining what it means to live in the 21st century. So, are you ready to explore this omnipresent force that's subtly yet profoundly shaping our world? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating world of artificial intelligence. So, what is this artificial intelligence that we keep talking about? Artificial intelligence, often shortened to AI, is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. Now, this doesn't mean that these machines have feelings or consciousness. Rather, it's about designing systems that can understand, learn, and react to their environment in a way that was previously thought to be exclusive to humans. AI can be classified into three types. First, there's narrow AI. This is the type of AI that we interact with on a daily basis. It's designed to perform a narrow task, like recommending songs on your favorite music app, or predicting what you're going to type next in your text message. It's focused and really good at what it does, but it's limited to its specific task. The second type is general AI. This is where things start to get a little more sci-fi. General AI refers to systems that possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human would. They can make decisions, solve problems, and even learn new skills. But we're not quite there yet. As of now, general AI remains largely theoretical. The final type is superintelligent AI. This is the kind of AI that outperforms humans in most economically valuable work. It's a concept that's both exciting and terrifying. Exciting because of the potential advancements and efficiency, but terrifying because of the potential risks and ethical implications. So, how does AI work? Well, it's all about algorithms and data. AI systems are trained to recognize patterns and make predictions based on vast amounts of data. They learn from experience, much like we do, except on a much larger scale and at a much faster rate. But remember, AI is just a tool, a creation of human ingenuity. It's neither inherently good nor bad. Its impact depends on how we use it. In simple terms, artificial intelligence is about machines or software mimicking human intelligence. Now, you may wonder, how does this AI thing work? Well, let's dive into the mechanics of artificial intelligence and unravel its mysteries. At its core, AI operates on the principles of machine learning. This is a process where algorithms are used to analyze data, learn from it, and then make a decision or prediction. Instead of hand-coding software routines with a specific set of instructions to accomplish a particular task, the machine is trained using large amounts of data and algorithms that give it the ability to learn how to perform the task. Imagine you're teaching your dog to fetch a ball. You don't program its brain with specific instructions like, run 5 steps, then open your mouth, and so forth. Instead, you show it how to fetch a ball by doing it over and over again, reinforcing the action with rewards. Machine learning operates in a similar way. The algorithm learns through trial and error, gradually improving its performance on a task. Now, let's move on to deep learning, a subfield of machine learning inspired by the structure of the human brain. It's all about neural networks. These are algorithms modeled after the human brain, designed to recognize patterns. They interpret sensory data through a kind of machine perception, labeling or clustering raw input. Picture a child learning to recognize animals. At first, they might not know the difference between a cat and a dog. They learn over time by noticing patterns like cats have pointy ears and dogs have floppy ears. In a similar vein, neural networks identify patterns and classify information, which can range from recognizing faces in photos to understanding spoken words. And of course, at the heart of it all, we have algorithms, the secret sauce that makes it all possible. Algorithms are sets of rules or instructions followed by the AI to solve a problem or achieve a goal. They're like a recipe, guiding the AI through the steps it needs to take to reach a desired outcome. In a nutshell, artificial intelligence is all about creating machines that can think, learn, and make decisions like humans. They do this by absorbing data, identifying patterns, learning from them, and then applying what they've learned to new data. It's a fascinating process that's continually evolving and improving as we feed it more and more data and refine our algorithms. It's a bit like teaching a child to understand the world around them, but in this case, the child is an AI, and the world is a vast sea of data. It's a process that's complex, fascinating, and holds a world of possibilities for the future. So it's all about teaching machines to learn and make decisions like humans. And where do we encounter AI in our daily lives, you might ask? Well, the answer is simple, yet complex. We interact with artificial intelligence more than we think, and it's embedded in many of the tools and devices we use every day. Let's start with your smartphone, your constant companion. When you ask Siri, Google Assistant, or Alexa a question, you're interacting with a form of AI. These virtual assistants use natural language processing to understand and respond to your queries. They learn from your past interactions to provide more personalized responses, making our lives a tad bit easier. But it doesn't stop there. Have you ever wondered how Netflix knows exactly what show you'd like to binge watch next, or how Spotify curates the perfect playlist for your morning run? Recommendation systems, another form of AI, are at play here. They analyze your past behavior, preferences, and use predictive analytics to suggest content that you might enjoy. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your taste in music, movies, and more. Now let's take a ride in the realm of transportation. AI is fueling the dreams of autonomous vehicles. Imagine a future where your car drives you to work while you sit back, read a book, or catch up on your favorite podcast. Advanced algorithms, machine learning, and computer vision are coming together to make this dream a reality. These technologies allow the car to understand its surroundings, make decisions, and navigate the roads without human intervention. And it's not just our cars that are getting smarter. AI is also transforming our homes. Smart thermostats like Nest learn your preferred temperature settings and automatically adjust them. Robotic vacuum cleaners map out your home and clean it while you're out. Smart home security systems use facial recognition to identify friends and family and alert you if there's a stranger at your door. In the healthcare sector, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment. AI algorithms can analyze medical images, detect anomalies, and even predict the likelihood of certain diseases, helping doctors make more accurate diagnoses. AI-powered wearable devices monitor our health metrics in real time, providing valuable insights and alerting us to potential health issues before they become serious. In the world of finance, AI is used for fraud detection, portfolio management, and algorithmic trading. In the retail industry, it's used for inventory management, personalized marketing, and improving customer service. In short, there's hardly an industry that hasn't been touched by the magic of AI. From our phones to our cars, AI is everywhere around us. It's making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. It's helping us make better decisions, and it's enabling us to do things that were once considered science fiction. So the next time you ask Siri for the weather forecast, remember, you're not just talking to your phone. You're interacting with a sophisticated form of artificial intelligence. What impact is AI having on our lives and society? It's a question that's been echoing through the halls of academia, thrumming in the boardrooms of big tech, and stirring in the minds of everyday folks like you and me. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has already embedded itself into the fabric of our society, and its impact, both positive and negative, is profound. On the sunny side of the street, AI's benefits are manifold. It's making our lives more efficient in ways we couldn't have imagined just a decade ago. Think about how AI algorithms help streamline our online shopping experience, or how AI in healthcare is revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment plans. AI is even guiding our cars on the road thanks to advances in autonomous driving technology. And let's not forget about job creation. Yes, you heard that right. While there's a common fear that AI could replace human jobs, it's also true that it's creating new ones. Roles like AI specialists or data scientists were virtually non-existent 20 years ago, and now they're some of the most sought-after jobs in the tech industry. But with the silver lining comes the cloud. Privacy is a major concern in the age of AI. Every time we use a voice assistant or scroll through a social media feed, we're feeding data into vast AI systems. This data is used to personalize our experiences, but it can also be used in ways that infringe upon our privacy. Then there's the ethical dimension. AI systems are only as unbiased as the data they're trained on. If the data is biased, the AI can inadvertently perpetuate these biases, leading to unfair outcomes in critical areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. There's also the question of accountability. If an autonomous vehicle makes a mistake that leads to an accident, who's to blame? The car's owner, the manufacturer, or the AI itself? And can we really hold a machine accountable for its actions? It's clear that AI is a double-edged sword. It can make our lives easier, more efficient, and even more fun. But it can also pose serious risks to our privacy, our fairness, and our sense of responsibility. As we move forward into this brave new world of AI, we need to have these conversations, to ask these tough questions. We need to decide as a society how we want to use this powerful tool and what kind of safeguards we want to put in place. Because at the end of the day, AI is just a tool. A powerful, transformative tool, but a tool nonetheless. It's not inherently good or evil. It's all about how we use it. AI can be both a boon and a bane depending on how we use it. So, what does the future hold for AI? As we venture further into the 21st century, we're set to witness an unprecedented acceleration in AI development. The boundaries of what's possible are constantly being pushed, and the horizon of AI is expanding at a breathtaking pace. From sophisticated machine learning algorithms to sentient AI beings, the future is brimming with thrilling possibilities. Imagine a world where AI assists in every aspect of our lives, from mundane chores to complex decision-making. But it's not just about convenience. The potential applications of AI in sectors like healthcare and environmental conservation could revolutionize the way we approach these fields. Yet, as we stand on the brink of this new era, we must also consider the ethical implications. How will we ensure that AI is used responsibly? How will we protect individual privacy and autonomy in an AI-driven world? The future of AI is promising, but it also raises important ethical and societal questions. As we wrap up, let's reflect on our journey through the world of AI. We've taken a deep dive into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence, exploring its definitions, mechanics, applications, impacts, and future. We began by defining artificial intelligence, a term that's often thrown around, but not always understood. It's a branch of computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This includes things like learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. We then delved into the mechanics of AI, peeling back the layers to understand how these systems work. It's not magic, but the result of complex algorithms and vast amounts of data. Machine learning, a subset of AI, allows these systems to learn and improve from experience, much like we humans do. Next, we looked at how AI is integrated into our everyday lives, often in ways we don't even realize. From the recommendations on our favorite streaming services to the virtual assistants on our phones, AI is all around us, making our lives easier and more efficient. We also examined the impact of AI, both positive and negative. On the one hand, AI has the potential to revolutionize many sectors, from healthcare to transportation. On the other, there are valid concerns about job displacement, privacy, and ethical issues. Finally, we pondered the future of AI. While it's impossible to predict with certainty, one thing is clear: AI is here to stay. It will continue to evolve and shape our world in ways we can't even imagine yet. As we continue to embrace AI in our lives, it's crucial to understand its workings, impacts, and implications. It's not just about asking what can AI do, but also what should AI do? And as we grapple with these questions, remember, knowledge is power. By staying informed, we can ensure that we leverage the benefits of AI while mitigating its potential risks. Because at the end of the day, AI is a tool, and like any tool, its value depends on how we use it. Remember, knowledge is power.